If you believe that policeman is your friend, you are a moron. If you have never planted a tree in your community before, you are heartless. Post a picture on Facebook and no one liked it, you just move that shit. If you text someone 3 times and you didn't get a reply, just delete him. If you are angry with someone and he asks, how are you? Tell him better than you. If you keep malice with someone for more than 3 days, you are a devil. If you bleach because you are black, you are ungrateful. If you fail an open book test, just quit school. If someone asks you to try again after failing 3 times, slap that person. If you scam your dad to buy a new phone, wait for the thunder that is going to strike you. If you say that you hate yourself and still brush your hair, you are a liar. If you don't find a cause worth dying for, then your life does not work. When you get married and your lady cheat on you, just end it immediately. When you crack your funniest joke and nobody even smile, never in your life attempt such a thing again. If you disbelieve in God because you haven't seen him before, you are dull, dumb, sucker. If you copy American lifestyle in your village, you are an illiterate. If you are waiting for the federal government to give you an offer before you start a career, you don't deserve any certificate at all. If you make someone feel good by making yourself feel worst, you are blessed. If you sneeze 3 times in front of your new date, you are about to DIE. You better get. If you debate on how much money celebrities make and you are still jobless, you are a loser. So you have better chance of getting married at 30s than 20s? He is deceiving you. If you can't wake up, shower, dress and leave the house within 10 minutes, if someone hug you and sneeze, you stink. If you believe in God and don't worship him, your belief is a waste. If you know the price of expensive cars and you ain't got no money to buy one, you are a loser. Trust me. If you attend a lecture just because you want to sign an attendance, you are a criminal. If you spend more than 70% of your savings to get yourself an expensive phone, you are retarded. If you use your last money to buy yourself a wallet, you are faithful. If someone asks of what you do for a living and you don't have an answer, you are dumb. If at 40 you are still living with your dad, you are going to DIE in that house. If you crash your dad's new car and you don't know what to do, you don't deserve a driving license. If you commit a suicide because you failed a white man examination, you must go to hell.